We've introduced the main screen and advanced settings in the last video. Today, I will walk you through the rest of the features of the SmartKey Box app. Share. If you're lending your car to a friend, via Share, you can authorize your friend to access the vehicle without a physical key, and all you need to do is finish a few steps on the app. First, on the borrower side, download and install the SmartKey Box app. Press Share on the main screen and select Get Temporary Vehicle. Next, type on Generate Request Code and enter anything as a note. Then the borrower needs to copy the request code and send it to the vehicle owner. On the vehicle owner's side, just copy the request code received and select Share Vehicle on the app. And the owner can customize the days and number of times that the borrower can use the car. Paste the request code, type on Generate Authorization Code, and send the code to the borrower. The borrower needs to copy and paste the code received and type on Enable Authorization Mode. Then the borrower will get access to the vehicle successfully, and the expiration date and remaining times display at the bottom. Press Temporary Vehicle to review vehicles granted temporary access. Change style. We offer 3 remote styles, and you can select the style to your preference. Number 1. Cool. You can customize the button number and the background image. Number 2. Classic. Similarly, you can select the button number and the color of the remote. Number 3. Simulation. You can only customize the button number. Security setting. Switch the toggle on and verification will be required when starting the app. We offer 4 verification methods, including digital password, gesture password, fingerprint password, and face identification. I'll give you a demonstration of how to enable digital password verification. Press the digital password icon, and we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a password is required every time when you open the app. Language setting. The app now only offers Chinese and English. Learning mode. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter the 4-digit number. Note: after entering the learning mode, smartphones and remotes the device has learned before will all be erased. That said, you will have to relearn those to get access to your vehicle. Press Enter Learning Mode. Type on Learn Car Mobile Phone. You can watch the complete video on how to learn remotes and smartphones on our official YouTube channel. Please be noted, after entering learning mode, you have to learn smartphone successfully in 10 minutes. Otherwise, you can't enter learning mode from the app. You can also customize the key power on delete time on this interface. The delete time is the amount of time for the device to function after you press the button. If the original key does not need a constant power supply, simply switch it off. You can set the delete time based on the delete time of the original key. We usually set a 0.2 second delay. Updates. You can update the app and firmware on the screen. Okay, that's all about the settings on the SmartKey Box app. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. We'll see you the next time.